Hello everybody and stuff. Today we've got windows that don't roll up and down. 2004 Chevy Venture. It also goes for like the 98 through 2004 Chevy Venture, the 98 through 2004. It's a Pontiac, I know, van. GM vans in particular. Windows
Chevy.
don't go up and down. Right there doesn't look bad.
Maybe if I do here. That way I'm not in your way.
This thing's going to ding at you, but basically what you got is push the button and nothing happens. Now I know it's not the motor, it shouldn't be, because I did this like that, and the motor kicked on and rolled the window up about 1/8 of an inch. Now the other window, as you can see, the other window over there on the other side of the van goes up and down with this switch. Okay, see that? Down, up. That works. So this switch on the driver's side over here, that one's busted, and the switch on the and the switch on the passenger side works when it wants to. So it's on its way out too. So what we got, I got a screwdriver. Get off of me! I got a screwdriver and I can't find the switches anywhere. So
No, that's that.
I like what you're looking at. Let's go look for some switches. Got a screwdriver. Could swear I brought the switches out. No, they're up here on the table. They don't do us any good if they're still in the box. But anyway, here, I'll open this up. Here we go. These were $14 on Amazon. Chinese them. But two new driver door switches. And, well, if you look, this is the passenger side, little single switch. So we got two new switches, right, Cha? With this camera, with the tripod open all the time, it's a real motherfucker to hang on to and do anything with. But, I don't know. Someday I'll find a tripod that'll be cheap and, and actually have a swivel on it. But for now, put switch number 2 right there. You're going to have to probably go somewhere. I don't know. I might be able to do it from here. But you want to just take a screwdriver. And this just clips in. I pulled it out by hand once. I really did. Clip on the side here. And a clip on the front. We're more or less in, folks. So now, to get this switch, there's a clip right here. You want to get under that, pull it down a little bit. There's a clip right here. Get under that. My screwdriver's a little big for this. I almost stabbed myself in the hand. Did you see that shit? That's worth a like and subscribe. There we go. There's that. And then this little one, this clip right here. Right here. See it? Clip right here. Just push that in. Okay. Push that in and up. Or it won't go. Well, you know, one of the two. It had it. Like I said, my screwdriver's a bit big. Yes, I'm too lazy to go out and get another screwdriver. But it's looking like I might have to. There she goes. Never mind. Got that. There's that one. Old switch. See? I don't know if she can, but
yeah,
old switch. Now, let's take our new switch. Automatic. And it clips right on here, like so. That's going to be a bugger to push in there, but push that all the way down. Make sure it's seated, and that little clip here is underneath the bar there. That's looking good. we will pop this up through here and back into its bracket. Thusly, if you can see, clip that back in there. Make sure our other side's clipped in. And back in she goes to the door. Right? Now let's get the key. And watch the window here. Beautiful. Window works again. And the passenger window works from this side again. Beautiful. Door lock thingies still do their thing. So there's that side. So, basically, oh, and by the way, I'm doing this video for you guys because I've watched some people do this videos before. They don't show you the results, if the switch even freaking worked or not. I'm showing you before what it did, and I'm showing you that yes, the switch works. Like I said, Amazon for these guys, 14 bucks and some change for the pair. Don't get ripped off. Yeah, that one works. Let's go do the other door. Here we go. Same as the other. We're going to try to get under here. Pop this little clips out. There's a clip in the back here. There we go. Single switch. Works when it wants to. So I'm going to pop him over. Red clip right here. And I relocked it. Red clip. That was weird.
Your key is on. No, it's not.
Uh-oh.
Weird.
That just came undone. That wasn't supposed to come off. I can't see that side. I can't see that side. Now I can. Okay, that's a problem. Come on.
What'd you do?
Just give me a second. It unclipped everything. There we go. No problem no more. It unclipped this clip, and it unclipped this bottom clip and this side clip, and this part started coming out. It's not supposed to do that. So, now, there we go. Getting somewhere. And this clip on this side, that's part of the whole situation, but it only separated, it only wanted to separate the top. I don't understand that. This side's clipped again. Get out of there, you fool, you fool. Now if I go to clip this one again, is it going to get me again? Like I said, the screwdriver's a bit big for this.
Well, pause and go get one. I can go get you.
Here. Okay, I got somewhere there, but no bueno. I'm still trying to get this part. Holy God! Yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting. Let me see if I can find something. I guess a pick would be better for this stuff. I found some stuff I'm going to try out. First, I have a little file with a pointy end on it. Let's see if I can file this.
Is that the one you need to...
Little bastard. It's here. See if I can pry this bitch loose here. No, I cannot. Well, that's still undone over here, right? Yeah. Put that there. I got, I think, a smaller screwdriver. This side's a bastard. Of course, how old is it? 20 years?
Yeah.
That will just not come out of there. Here.
There it goes.
Ah. I'm under it. This side's clipped again. God damn it. This side's clipped again. This side's loose. See if I can get under here to hold that somehow. Pressure it so it doesn't try to clip in again. I had it just a second ago. Just popped right out of there. There she goes, finally. Jesus, I had to crack that, but at least it didn't break. So, out with the bad switch, in with the new, right? This should just go in, thank God. Make sure it's the right direction.
Right.
Door lock thingy, switch thingy. Yes? Yes. Okay. That should just clip in there.
Yeah, it just did.
And that is short, but you can do it. Clip in.
Where is it backwards?
That will clip in right there, folks. There she is. Clipped in, clipped in. So that's that little metal clip on the back right here. And the little clips on the side are down here.
Oops.
See?
Okay.
And there's one on the front and one on the back. That's all that holds these things in. Boom. Okay. Now, key over here. We'll see if this window roller-uppy thingy works. One more time through. That's door locks.
Yeah.
Hey!
Let me back up so you can see it going.
Alright, and I'll check the driver's side again. Oh yeah.
Sweet.
And driver's window. See it? Uppy downy. Nice.
Sweet.
There you have it.
Thank you, baby.
A bit of a struggle on this one, sorry folks, but that's how things work. That switch came out in halves. There's the little blue LED lights that are inside. See that little blue thing right there? Before when the headlights are on, I guess that glows or something. I don't know.
In the dark.
Yeah, in the headlights and stuff. So there's your old switches, crap, garbage, and that's going to do it, I guess. Where's that little file I had a hold of? I'd kind of like to have that back. I'm not holding it still, am I? No. That screwdriver goes in the house.
Are we done?
Well, I can't find that file I had. Something. But anyway, we're going to go in search of a lost little file with a red handle on it. So, that's how you do it. New window controls, switches for a 2000, well, it's basically a 98 to 2005 Chevy Venture. Or Pontiac Transport, I think they're called. Any GM van basically will have the same controllers. There you have her, folks. Job done. So for Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG. Until next video, folks. Peace out, people. Just peace out. We gotta go searching for stuff. Just give me a... Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around